Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen you can go to telephone here. You'll see there it's come onto Bluetooth menu because there's no phone connected at the moment. So click on Bluetooth menu and you'll see there ticking Bluetooth. If you have any problems connecting, do exactly the same thing, make sure there's a tick there. It's asking me if I want to add a new device, but you'll see there's a phone listed. So if I turn the rotary control down to my phone there and then knock it across, so click across like that, brings up a different screen and you'll see configure device or remove device. Now if I go into configure device, I think you can switch on audio if that's not on, or telephone. So we want remove device, click remove device. That's it, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 BMW 3 Series. So first of all, we need to go into settings. It's already come up there, but Bluetooth is what you want. So Bluetooth, right down to the bottom, over to here, click telephone, just there, Bluetooth menu on that, and then you've got add device, so add new device. So click on that. Click on BMW there, you've got the spinning baseball, Bluetooth pairing request, compare this number with the number displayed on the Bluetooth device. Yes, that's the one, so click OK and click pair there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Normally you'll see the navigation come up here. Once that's done, you know it's paired. That's it. It's connected on the actual device. You'll see there's a tick next to telephone and a tick next to audio. So if I click OK like so, and the audio one is quite important if you want to stream music. Let's just go to the top, see if it's showing anywhere. There you go, BMW connected. So that's it, all done. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 BMW 3 Series. So we need a record, we'll find a record, we'll click on that, we'll click on this. I'm going to turn that down, but you see at the bottom there, if I click, I'll click play in a second. If I click down there at the bottom, that's your options. You can either play the music through your iPhone or it can be connected to this. There's a tick next to the BMW, so any music, any sound, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime, iTunes, soundtrack of a YouTube video, whatever you're playing, it will play through the speakers in here. So I'll click play. Click play. Over here we want media. Now this is set up, it's gone onto media, it's come up on disk. So what we need to do now, if I click media again, it brings up the other menu. You'll see there CD, music collection, external devices and sound. It's on CD at the moment, so we want external devices. Select that with the rotary control, then click on it, and Barry's iPhone or auxiliary front. So we want Barry's iPhone. If it was auxiliary, that would be something connected to the auxiliary lead in here at the back there. So now that, if I turn this up and then I'll turn this up, there you go, that's how you play music. You'll see the display, nice display, it's got the album artwork and it tells you what's playing. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, whatever you're on, you click nav like so. That's brought the map up. If we click nav again, it brings another menu up. You've got map there, but you've also got destination input, recent destinations, point of interest. So we want destination input. We go to destination input. There, it's on the United Kingdom already, place or postcode. So we go to place and postcode, highlight that, click OK. Now, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and our postcode is P. So rotary control to P, and then click R. this is where it gets a bit kind of vague. There's no numbers. What you do, you turn the rotary control until you get to, you've got A, B, C, then you've got an arrow, which is delete, then OK. Then further on, that's not actually even highlighted, but if you turn it further, there you go, you've got further characters. So turn to further characters like so, click on that, and then we've got numbers. So we want 5, 4, it's defaulted back to the letters, E, A, and then we click OK. That's it. You can put the street in if you want, but I don't want to, and then click Start Guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.